Online classes? Boring. I can't concentrate. I keep getting distracted. My marks are falling and my parents are shouting at me. But in today's video, you're going to follow me around from morning to night and get this perfect timetable that you can use for your online classes. And towards the end of the video, you also get to know those 3 big mistakes that you're probably committing and how to solve them. So let's get going. Hey there and welcome to ChetChat. My name is Chetna and 2 quick things before we begin. 1. The timings that we are using for this online timetable have been given by you when we went out on our community tab and asked you for your timings. However, if you find that your class timings are slightly different from the ones that we are talking about in the video, don't worry. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You just place one piece ahead and shift this behind like blocks of time and bingo, you've customized the timetable to suit any requirement. And second, all the transcripts of our video, including free downloadables, are available on our website and I'm going to drop links for you in the description box. And now get ready to follow me around the house. Stretch number 1, daily morning routine, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Wake up at least 2 hours before your classes begin. Splashing water over your eyes and a gentle press with a cup of your hand will help you reduce all your stress and fatigue. Breakfast is a very important meal. Your brain needs energy to work on those difficult concepts. So give yourself plenty of time to relax and eat. It is very important to have some protein like eggs, paneer, milk, curd, etc. in your breakfast. Protein has amino acids which help your brain to function at an optimal level. Include some dry fruits which have been soaked overnight. Remember to keep your phone away. Head straight to your study table at least 15 minutes before the class starts. It is very important to sit on a chair and keep your device on a table. Arrange your notebooks, pens, look over your class timetable and your notes from the previous day to get ready for the topic that your teacher will be discussing in class. Now make sure you check that your computer screen is at your eye level, so you don't have to bend your neck either up or down. One tip, if you're using a mobile phone, either you can mount it on a small tripod, just the way I have, or keep it on top of something to bring it to your eye level. Stretch number 2, online classes, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Most of you have classes starting 8:30 or 9 a.m. going up to 2 or 2:30 p.m. This timetable can always be adjusted a few hours forward or backward, like a jigsaw puzzle, depending on your exact time. Actively engage with the class, else you're sure to fall off to sleep. Ask questions, take notes and answer questions. Posture is very important. Since you're spending hours in front of the screen, keep your back straight, your core strong and your neck straight as well. Often when we concentrate, we suddenly remember that we have to call someone or send a message to someone. Quickly write all these distracting things down on a separate sheet of paper and we will attend to all these tasks later during the day. Please keep all notifications turned off during class hours and don't be tempted to keep checking your Instagram or WhatsApp. Discipline is doing what you know needs to be done even if you don't want to do it. Drink water, 1 glass every 1 hour. Clear up your table, refill your bottle. Get up and move. Give yourself a good stretch. Go out into the fresh air and look into the horizon at least 20 meters away for 5 to 10 minutes to avoid eye strain. Press your acupressure points. We have shared more details on this in the video titled How to Increase Your Brain Power. Have your lunch around 1:30 when you take a break. Once your online classes end, give an hour extra of self-study to quickly go over what has been taught and consolidate all the assignments and homework. Stretch number 3, chill and skill, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. A power nap will relax your eyes and also your mind. Research has shown that a power nap can boost your memory, cognitive skills, creativity, and energy levels. Now pick up your distraction sheet and try to address some of the points there. This is the best time to work on your skills as well. So if you wish to learn calligraphy, doodling, dancing, or even how to solve the Rubik's Cube, this is the best time to do it. This is a perfect chill time. Step out, try to connect with nature and friends for about an hour. Avoid looking at your phone at this time. You've had too much screen time already. Stretch number 4, homework, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Give yourself 1 clear hour to work on your assignments or homework and 1 hour for self-study, including 15 minutes of quick revision of your favorite subject. Wind up your studies by 8:30 p.m. and spend time with your family and relax. Stretch number 5, unwind, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. This is the time for you to relax and disconnect your mind from the world. Spend time with family or watch a show on Netflix if that's what you like. You can also take up the distraction sheet at this time and respond to people's calls and messages. This is a good time to prepare for a good night's sleep. This 1 hour will help you sleep well and get ready for the next day's hustle bustle. This last one is a no device hour. Sit in bed and write a daily log. Make a quick list of things you want to achieve the next day, read a book, or listen to a podcast. Recall the good, happy moments of the day and sit idle for some time. And now for the 3 big mistakes. Mistake number 1 is posture. The American Posture Institute says that about 70% of all athletes suffer from postural deficiency, affecting both their performance and their lifestyle. And this is not only true of athletes, but also students and working executives. So be very careful about your back and your neck. Mistake number 2 is digital notes. If the class is digital, why should the notes not be? It is so easy to take a screenshot or maybe just take a PPT from your teacher, and then why do I need to note down anything? But did you know that when you study by making notes, it not only helps you focus better, you also listen more clearly, and as you're writing, it kind of acts like the first revision. So make sure you pick up your pen and pencil and make those notes. And mistake number 3 is the missing pen. Sometimes we're at our desk and we're wondering, hey, where's my pen? Where's my stationery? Where's my paper? Isn't it better to have everything organized beforehand so we are totally relaxed and focused during the class? And that was the perfect day for you. You can always take these blocks of time and move them around forward or backward and make this timetable customized to exactly your requirements. And don't forget to check out the website where you can get a transcript of this entire video. And meantime, happy learning!